Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlights yoga as pathway to global peace on International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day celebrates in Shillong under the theme Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla inspects Kyang Nangba College to assess renovation and expansion. And 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC gives heroes welcome to Rifines Wardry after historic Everest summit. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, speaking at the 11th International Day of Yoga celebrations along the scenic coastline of Visakhapatnam, emphasized yoga's role in fostering peace and rising global stress and unrest. He described yoga as the pause button humanity needs to breathe, to balance, to become whole again. Under the theme, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, the Prime Minister called for collective action to build a sustainable and harmonious world. He also noted India's push to strengthen yoga through modern scientific research, with leading medical institutions contributing to its global outreach. Meghalaya marked the 11th International Day of Yoga with vibrant celebrations under the theme Yoga for One Earth, One Health. In Shillong, NIHU hosted a major event in collaboration with Raj Bhavan and NIA featuring asanas, pranayama, and meditation. Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo and Dr. B.T.R. Tiwari led the observance alongside students, NCC cadets and health workers.
So I hand it over to Aniruddha Daruga.
To you, ma'am. Now we'll move ahead with the practice of yoga session.
What are the objectives of the yoga center? The first and primary objective is national integration. To bring people from diverse regions, cultures and backgrounds, fostering unity and social harmony. Number two, it promotes health and wellness. To inspire people to integrate yoga in their daily lives for improved physical and mental well-being. Third, the cultural heritage, to highlight and celebrate India's rich yoga tradition and its global significance.
In observance of International Yoga Day, personnel of the Border Security Force, Meghalaya Frontier, performed yoga at their frontier headquarters in Shillong. Led by Inspector General O.P. Upadhyay, the event saw active participation from troops across all ranks who pledged to integrate yoga into their daily lives for better physical and mental well-being. The IG emphasized the significance of yoga for overall health and noted that regular yoga sessions are being conducted across various border outposts and units.
As our Prime Minister, Honorable Modi ji has spoken about the importance of the yoga, that yoga unites. And for the forces like BSF, the unity is very, very important. So not only it unites us, it gives us the strength for discipline and moral courage. So this is one of the most important factor of our life, and we in Border Security Force try to imbibe the practices of yoga and its spirit.
International Yoga Day 2025 was celebrated across Meghalaya with a series of vibrant events promoting wellness and unity. The Commissionerate of Food Safety held a special 3-day yoga program tailored for street vendors. In Shillong, the Geological Survey of India hosted Yoga Sangam sessions at the scenic Arwa Lomshana Caves and their office premises. West Giant Hills saw yoga activities at Kyang Nangba Government College and other local venues focusing on the balance between mind, body and nature. Meanwhile, Dudarshan Kendra Tura conducted an energizing session led by expert S.K. Paul, amplifying the holistic spirit of yoga. Jowai local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla visited Kyang Nangba Government College to assess renovation and expansion needs, accompanied by Principal L.M. Darnay and Public Works officials. The inspection covered key facilities including the library, canteen, classrooms and the proposed site for professors' quarters. Shella revealed that a rupees of 30 crore proposal is in the pipeline aimed at upgrading infrastructure and adding 20 new classrooms to meet rising student demand. He emphasized the region's long-standing call for improved higher education facilities, marking the project as a vital step forward for the Giant Hills.
Have seen in the past that during the admission time, we are facing a lot of problem to accommodate the student. That is because due to the unavailability of the classroom. So that's why today, last time during the visit of the Honorable Chief Minister, so we have requested him, we have met him and shared with him this problem. So from his side, that he has assured us that he will take this issue up and he will sanction for the additional classroom at the earliest. So today I am here to inspect the land and the land availability, and then also to discuss with the principal that the other issue as well. So from their side, they have told that the requirement as of now, the major requirement is the additional classroom.
Khatsaupra College celebrated the 10th anniversary of its higher secondary section with a vibrant cultural showcase headlined by a musical drama titled The Groundbreakers. The performance spotlighted local legends like Ukalang and Semper, preserving traditional folklore through art. Dignitaries including F.R. Kharkongor, Principal Secretary in charge of Arts and Culture and Textiles, MIDC Co-Chairman Ransom Sutanga, MBO's Director McDonald Marbanyang and ADC El Mirthong praised the college educational impact and creative endeavors. Principal Dr. B. Nong led the celebration, joined by students, teachers and guests from across the region.
Instead,
fix a feast, round out the cup, poison his food that fed his den. I should offer him kind.
You started with only 48 students. Sapo prangut hakat saupra. Sapo pra hapok saupra. Hindre minta. Now you have more than 616 students. So it's a matter of great pride and joy that this institution has blossomed and it has provided the light of education, and it is also imparting values, cultural values. I would like to especially appreciate that wonderful musical play which we just saw just now, which was an expression of the wonderful talent that you have here in Mairam. I think all of us, we watched the entire play without not even one dull moment.
The Khasi Author Society, in collaboration with the Khasi Department of St. Edmund's College, held a day-long discussion honouring the contributions of Welsh missionary Thomas Jones to Khasi society and literature. Chief Guest Shri Frederick Kharkongor, Principal Secretary of Arts and Culture, emphasized the richness of Khasi literature and urged the society to embrace digital tools for language preservation. He highlighted the inclusion of Khasi in Google Translate and the Government of India's Bhashini project as vital steps towards national recognition. Speakers also advocated for a digital Khasi dictionary and repository of folk tales to promote language access and youth engagement.
We are celebrating the present. Kaktin Khasim da kaladang roy ka literature kadang kami banmenta ngiladon haka juk jungga digital age group, but haka Google Translate group kaktin khasi kaladon. We are celebrating the present, but
the headman, secretary and elders of Raj Makdo have voiced strong support for the proposed industrial estate by the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation Limited, countering opposition from pressure groups and NGOs. Speaking to the press, Elder Esli Pangcho highlighted the project's potential to boost local employment and development. He urged the state government to proceed despite objections from land agents and called for more such initiatives in border areas. MIDC has invited private landowners in Raj Makdo to come forward for collaboration.
Ni kiramba kinong yalang jong kari bohol. Ni dan rangkat ba hi ka MIDC ngin kersania kan ekji temu kababha jong ka sarkar ba ka dei bansa hanti hari bohol jong ni namar kabha kamiat lang jong ni ki badang duna palak ka roi kapar bat nginam sya ia kibriu nabar ban wan tuklar bat ban sim kabu ya kanegakam.
In a major step towards rural development, the Dorbar Shnong of Sidon village inaugurated a new bridge at Lat Yosir under the Dipu area. Built through community contributions, the bridge replaces a risky wooden structure, offering safer passage for residents and school children. Village headman Shri E.K. Lapang lauded the achievement, highlighting the long-awaited improvement as a symbol of self-reliance and local initiative. The project stands as a model for grassroots governance and infrastructure development across the region.
Mo kalong safety no pada joki bat kalong jikal khu ka baksau na pata ki no tong yogi khatam e na pata ki khna khulung ki bayat ba ka ni ki bobun ki hab banya school lang ni mut da ka badon ka de jiki kalong ka long safety no pata joki.
The 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC gave a rousing welcome to Miss Rifines Wardri, who returned home after successfully submitting Mount Everest on May 18, 2025. As the only participant from Northeast India in the NCC Mount Everest Expedition 2025, she etched her name in history as the fourth person from Meghalaya to scale the world's highest peak. The 20-year-old St. Anthony's College student was greeted at Umroi Airport by Major A.G. Wardri, fellow cadets, family members and well-wishers. Her achievement stands as a beacon of inspiration for youth across the region.
Thank you, Yote Ulum Everest ng UP kalong sisya ka ba e. Tamba nga klem give up, nga klem randien, hindi kay kajing penkenmao yang ban ay man simro kaday napibaro hi kum na email pa kibadyo ay man simya kanu ngalong excited por bang dang ya ngong lanu bang dep nang ni man one pai ngan yo call siyeng baong bang I did it. That's the most mo kaba happy for me ngong happy moment te nga yaki samla baro nga kwa ban kentu ba yak ek ba phile shanya hala di khamtam na marba nada phim shanya yala di phim te bik ek ba man salong e.
The Tura Challenge Inter Mahari Basketball Tournament 2025 got underway with high energy at Don Bosco College Basketball Court, Tura. Sponsored by Meghalaya Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma and organized by the Crimcrow Social Cultural Club New Tura, the event features 16 men and 10 women's team competing in an electrifying series of matches. In the opening games, Agitok triumphed over Morong with a 31-point lead, while Gabel edged out Bolwari in the women's division. The tournament, held under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and supported by SBI and the District Social Welfare Office, also celebrates the 25th anniversary of the organizing club. Spectators turned out in large numbers to cheer on local talent and promote unity through sports. Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 28 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 83% and the rainfall was recorded at 12 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18.6 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature was 23.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 83% and the rainfall was 1.7 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was recorded at 19 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 22 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is 87%, and the rainfall was recorded at 13 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at few places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlights yoga as pathway to global peace on International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day celebrates in Shillong under the theme Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Juwai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla inspects Kyang Nangba College to assess renovation and expansion. And 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC gives heroes welcome to Rifines Wajri after historic Everest summit. With that, we have come to the end of the news bulletin. Until we meet again at the same time, same channel, thank you for watching and good night.